Hello, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing something completely different from normal. I'm getting a lot of backlash in my Learning C++ from ChatGPT series, a sequel to my original Learning Java from ChatGPT series, in which many people have told me to stop doing so, as in learning from ChatGPT to code, and that I was either learning bad info or said lack of progress of me was due to lack of good teaching. Now, just to clarify, I didn't choose to try learning C++ from ChatGPT as a way to increase the quality of my learning, as in the information being received. It was more of an experiment to see if the personal conversations with a bot could benefit more than normal versions like videos and text, in which the information is already given to you and consumed. In this more unique approach, you can actually ask questions to be a little bit more interactive, which I thought might be a cool way to try something out and see the capabilities of AI, if that could actually benefit you. Now, and obviously a lot of you guys have been saying that whatever I've been doing so far, it's wrong. So look what I got here. It's an old book called Data Structure in C++ about using the standard template library. And I've only read a little bit of the intro, and basically talk about it's just explaining the entire, I guess, stuff in the standard template library, and basically a reference to a bunch of things and how they work in C++. Now, I want to tell you guys that I normally don't really use books. Like, this is the first time I've ever actually read a programming book legitimately, not just to see how well they aged. Because normally I like consuming my information as types of videos, because I am not really good at getting myself to concentrate on a huge reading. Which is probably another reason why my ChatGPT experiment didn't work as well, because it's honestly just hard to read large lengths of text for me to learn about the information. Think about the information while reading and actually remembering it. But at the same time, this book is basically has a bunch of references to stuff I might want to use, so we can actually go to the table of contents to kind of look to kind of search for something. So in this case, I can see that if I want to learn about searching operations, I can go to page 134 and let's see what that would look like. So yeah, this basically shows a different way that ChatGPT has been delving in, but in more detail, in a more concise, just precise manner. This one shows stuff like iterators, all being used obviously with the standard library. And one suggestion I also got was to use some better ID from JetBrains, and I actually do have a student license, so I could try that, which will also help me with getting the syntax right and kind of using standard template library functions, because it can help you already show the parameters and stuff like it was shown in this book. And I feel like this starts a new chapter because it brings a lot of contrast what I've been doing so far. I've really wanted to dive pretty deep into this experiment. It looks like I've been in a roadblock so far, so I'm gonna actually start using this book a little bit more and reading on parts I've struggled. And once I feel confident, I think I'm gonna go back coding my project, recording it all, showing my observations of my new information, and instead of asking ChatGPT for help, just looking into this book. I know that's how people have been doing it for a lot more time than they've ever used chatbots. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hopefully subscribe. Like always, bye bye.